Welcome to SaaS Central, the best hub for everything related to software as a service. Have you ever wondered if there was an easier way than copy-pasting data from the internet to external programs or websites? Browsei AI offers the quickest and easiest way to turn any website you've used into an API. With it, you can select the data you need and create your own API in minutes. Browsei also offers integrations to Google Sheets and Airtable, so you can use your favorite spreadsheet tools to multiply the effect of your web crawler. Browsei provides an API to help you automate processes when you have a lot of pages to extract information from. Browsei AI is a cloud-based web automation tool that requires no coding and can be used to extract information from anywhere on the web. With Browsei AI, you can run up to 1,000 tasks per run and also use our API to update and download files whenever you need it. Browsei AI is a tool allowing users to train a robot to web scrape in just a few minutes without any coding required. The latter robots can be set up to automatically extract data from websites on a schedule, and users will get an email notification whenever there is a change. Browsei AI can turn any website into an API, making it easy to extract data and to automate tasks. It is not only easy but very effective to use Browsei AI, and it is a great way to generate leads, access to business intelligence, and even do marketing researches. Using its automatic platform, you can record your own actions on your favorite website and then train a robot to automate repetitive tasks without writing code. Browsei AI makes it easy to automate tasks and retrieve structured data with just few clicks, allowing you to focus on more important things like increase your business valuation. Using Browsei AI, we make it possible to turn any website into a kind of API and then conduct tasks or get data in regular intervals. Get your lifetime deal right now. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video to support the channel. See you in the next video.